Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I have a journal to show you. It's another ladybug jug journal. This is the second one that I made for my Etsy shop. The first one I made was pretty big. It was for a friend and she wanted it close to an 8.5 by 11 size so she could write journal entries in for her daughter. And so the second one I made here, this is more like a 5 by 9. It's using a book from, I found it at a thrift store. It's just I don't remember what the book was, but it wasn't vintage. It was just a book that had a red cover, so that's what I was looking for. And so yeah, I made this. I used a bunch of ephemera that I had ordered on Etsy from this shop here, Diamond Cloud Studio. She makes handmade vintage collage kits, and the one that I purchased was ladybug themed, and it had a whole bunch of stuff, and I was able to use I didn't use actually all of what she sent me, but I used most of it, and I was able to space it out between the two books. So I just wanted to show you, give her a shout out, and I'll have a link down below for her shop too. So this one will be in my Etsy shop. It's 2 signatures. I think this is about 1.25 inches spine. It has this cute ladybug fabric and red and black polka dot fabric. I have some vintage lace, some ribbon. There is a tassel on the side with different ribbons, trims, and fabric. And then I have a ladybug button on the glued on there. On the front is this music sheet. It's the ladybug fly away home, and so I just cut that out, made it a pocket, layered it on top of some velvet paper that I had. And then this was a die cut that was from my scrapbooking days, as well as this little piece here. So I just did some layering with some rickrack. And then there are 2 tags here that I just made with some fabric or paper scraps. Added a ladybug. I think that she sent that in her little kit too. So I just glued that on there. Did that one. They're blank on the back. So that fits in there. On the front, I also have the ribbon and the lace there. I sewed fabric together to make the tie, and it's glued in. So that opens up here. On the inside cover, I have some ladybug paper. Just the papers I have are just random. I think I purchased a lot from Joann's, and then also had some in my stash, so I just found whatever I could find that would match. So on here, there's a bingo card and this little die cut that was in my scrapbooking stash. And then this one as well. Just did some stitching, lots of stitching throughout. I made a ruffle here. This is a belly band. This is a little memo pad paper that I found at the Dollar Tree. And then this fun paper is double-sided, and that I found at Joann's. And then a little sticker that was in the ephemera pack. Here's just a little mini notebook page and some ribbon. I stamped some ladybugs on that side. This side is this was from the kit, but it's from one of those vintage shaped books. So I just folded it like that because I didn't want to cut that off. A red piece of paper, and I just altered a paper clip up here and then added a little book page clipping and another little die cut on that side. Made a belly band with some scraps here, and then just added in a little piece of grid paper and some stickers at the top. This side has a little pocket with a book page piece. Added some scraps, a scrap there, and then another ladybug stamp along there. On this page, I made two little pockets. I added some ladybugs from the fabric that I fussy cut and then added some ribbons there. And then just made a couple little tags out of some paper. And those stick in there. Added a doily on this page. This is a vintage music page. In this one, I just did a double pocket and have a bingo card, and then this vintage ladybug flashcard. Added some lace along the edge. Here is some graph paper. I have another altered paper clip with another little image from a book page, and then on the back side as well. This one's really cute. It's a little guy painting a ladybug. A vintage Giotto score sheet there. Just thought the colors fit perfectly with it. Here's another paper from Joann's with bugs. There's a pocket on this side. I added just a red vintage playing card, and then this little cut apart piece from a book page. It says Ladybug, Ladybug, Fly Away Home. Another book page here, really cute. This one I made a little pocket with a couple book page cutouts, and then just added a piece of paper in there, a polka dot scrapbook paper. And then I added some pom-pom trim on the side of that one. And then in this pocket, there's a little place card and a little cute little, there's no ladybug on there, but I just thought it fit with it, little card. Added some ladybug stickers there. On this page, I added some ribbon that I stitched into a ruffle. And then on this side, I added a little clipping there with some tickets and another vintage score sheet from a game that I'm not really sure what it is. I found a pad of it at a thrift store, and I don't know what that is. What game that is. If you know, leave it down below. Okay, then I added some rickrack there. On this page, I made a pocket with the fabric and just added a library card and a playing card. Added a scrap of fabric or paper there. On this, I just added another little ladybug. I added lace ribbon there. And this is a belly band with some scraps and another little Giotto score sheet. Down on this page, I added a little tiny red envelope that I had with a ladybug, puffy ladybug. Another sticker down there. And then this is a little side tuck. I added Yahtzee scorecard there. And then this one has a belly band, so I just added another little scrap piece of patterned paper and just did some stitching on the belly band with the little ladybug. And then this also has little side pockets. So I made the belly band, and then I also made this into a pocket, and then these little side pockets. So these are little clippings from Ladybug book, and I just added a sticker and some ribbon. On this page, this is just a little fabric flip. And more music paper, a red lunch sack, and I just added a little cut apart. On this page is a dictionary page, and I printed this ladybug on top of it. Yes, you can print onto thin dictionary paper. I was surprised. So yeah, that works. I did a little fabric ruffle there, and I also added some ribbon on the back side there. And then on this page, I stamped some ladybugs and added a ribbon ruffle. Whoops, sorry about that. This page, I made a pocket with the book page And I just stuck in a tea stained envelope. It's another ladybug book page. On this side is a little side tuck here. I added another little ladybug clipping, and then this is some fun black and white check trim that I had in my stash, like a ruffle trim. And then on the other side is a belly band that I added this giant bingo card to. Here's some ledger paper, a doily, and then here's another little clipping from a ladybug book and my third altered paper clip there. And then on this side I added some ladybug stickers and another like ladybug border that was from my scrapbooking days. I added in this fun spray dyed paper. It was with some of that shimmer spray stuff. I don't remember the brand. I don't know if it's Tim Holtz, not sure, but I thought that paper was really fun. And then I stitched on a piece of the fabric there. And then up here are some more little book page images that I sewed together, and this is a little side pocket here. This one isn't sewn all, oh, it's a pocket up at the top. So you can stick a tag there and a tag there. Another little envelope there. Fuzzy. Added some lace on the side of that page. Here's another tuck spot. I just tucked in another lunch sack, added a sticker on top there. And then this is the other side of that page. So I just added some more note paper in there. And there's the other side of that little clipping, but it has fun fact about ladybugs on the other side. Here's another book page. On this side is a notebook page with another little border strip from my scrapbooking days. I was surprised at the stuff I didn't have a lot of ladybug stuff, but I did have some. But I did need to order more because I was making that book for my friend, so that's why I ordered the big kit. But I was really happy with the kit. A lunch sack. And then on this page I sewed, it's the whole book page, but I didn't want to cut it down, so I folded it, and I did just stitch these 3 spots here so you can fold it out to look at the page. And then this is a little side tuck. On this side is a belly band, and I just added a vintage typewriter book page there. I just like the colors, thought they went well with it. And then this is the last page, the inside cover of the book. So there's a pocket that I made with another book page image, and then I altered a flashcard with a doily and some velvet ribbon, added some fabric up there, and then a little cut apart. And then the back of it is just the 2 different fabrics, lace and ribbon. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're interested in this book, I will have it in my Etsy shop. The link will be down below. And if you aren't able to pick up the book, great. I'm just here. I'd love to inspire you with the things that I make. And you know, I like to make a lot of stuff, but I can't keep it all, so that's why I opened up my Etsy shop. So if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe, and I will see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.